So me and Willie were lucky enough to spend the night at our buddy's house in this freaking amazing RV park. I'm not gonna videotape anything because, you know, I don't want to show anybody's house. That's kind of rude. But here's our house. And just know it was amazing. And yeah, we're gonna take a shower and then I don't even know where we're gonna go today, but we're gonna have a great fucking day. Definitely want to find somewhere to hike today. Want to find a sweet campsite for us to sleep at tomorrow. Maybe 2 nights we'll sleep at the same campsite. Oh, so I guess we have to go grocery shopping right away. We have to go grocery shopping. Yeah. Thank you, Luke.